Hi, Rizel.
Hello.
So, Rizel, what are you doing?
So I am making turon.
What is turon?
Turon, this is a banana that is filled with sugar and then you wrap it with a lumpia wrapper.
Ah, this is the Filipino. Yeah, and that wrapper is like a wrapper also for lumpia Shanghai.
Yes.
Okay. So, what kind of banana is that?
It's ano nga to?
I think that is saba.
Yes, I forgot.
Yeah, in the Philippines we have so many different types of banana. We have tundan or laturdan. We have señorita, the very little ones. Can you get it? I think there is a señorita over there.
Señorita.
Yeah, this
Kind
is
of
bulok. It's too hot here, that's why. But you know that is your uncle's favorite the type of banana. Banana señorita banana. I think that is your uncle Colin's favorite banana.
And then we're gonna wrap this like this.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you use water to stick the lumpia.
The wrapper together. It's like that.
Together.
Oh, okay. Oh, you made a lot already.
Yeah, that's for our merienda. And it is currently 2 p.m. I just
So-
did the laundry. I just cleaned the house.
Oh.
I'm preparing our merienda.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Sorry, there is a very loud noise coming from the background. I just shut her up.
That is Ate Myrin.
Okay, let's go back to your snack. Merienda, by the way, Rizel said this is our merienda for today, but it is something like snack.
Snack in the afternoon.
In the afternoon or afternoon snack. So she mentioned a while ago that she did a lot of stuff in the house. Okay, then it's time.
Finish cleaning the pool.
Oh, okay. Did you wash your hands?
Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
it's very important.
I think so because now it's time for. I think there is another problem in the world, in the Philippines, also in the world. I mean, in the whole world.
It is our day 5 of being quarantined.
Yeah.
Day 5 na.
Would you mind if I take a little break, Rizel?
Okay.
And can I put you on the video again?
Yes, of course.
Okay, please excuse me. I have to go for something. Bye.
Yeah.
So, this is now the lumpia, banana lumpia, which is called turon. Rizel was preparing this, and now she's finished. I don't really know what to say because... Okay lang. Oo nga, ano. Hi, Rizel!
Hello. Now we're going to cook the turon.
Okay. The banana, or how do you call that?
Banana.
Banana lumpia or lumpia banana or anything. But in the Filipino,
Banana sugar.
it is turon. Okay. Let us see what Rizel is creating. It's not a magic, but you know, some people don't know it, especially people who are not Filipinos. So, what are you doing now, Rizel?
I'm frying the turon. There. We're gonna wait until it's golden brown and crispy.
Oh. And I think Rizel took a shower
Yeah.
before she cooked.
So, hot here.
Oh, hi. She's pretty. Oh, we got somebody here waiting for the Turon. Here, my poggy son. My very poggy son. John. Okay. Now let's go back to Turon.
Gonna wait.
Is that your beautiful Turon recipe?
Yes.
Okay.
This is so special.
Oh, what makes it special? Is it because they are prepared by Rizel's magic hands? Be careful not to cook a lot for me because I will eat them all and I'll get fat. No, I won't get fat.
It's Baby Anne's favorite.
Okay.
I think.
And we are still having or dealing with a crisis here. The Corona
We're stuck.
19. How do you call that?
COVID-19.
COVID-19. Sometimes I cannot say the name because I don't like it. Coronavirus, and it's very bad. So most of the time we cook and eat. We cannot go out of the house. So we just cook and eat. Trying to deal with the coronavirus positively. So there is another person waiting for Rizel's Turon. So who is that, Rizel?
That's Baby Anne, but she's not baby anymore. Her name is Baby Anne.
This is my little girl. And look how little she is.
Baby Damulag.
My youngest. Here. Look at her. She looks just like Mama and Papa. So,
Let's get some.
it's getting a brown, Rizel. Looking good.
Looking good.
Looking good. See there? Oh, and oh, they shine. Okay, let's take a little break. Wow, the product is finished
This
now.
is the cooked turon. Finished product.
Wow,
My specialty. Look.
sarap.
Now we're gonna eat it. Come on.
With what?
With coffee or tea.
Okay. Let's go to the dining room. Aha. Ano ba yan? Oh, okay. Now here is the result of the turon. They are eating turon now. So let us make an interview.
It's so good.
So what can you say about the turon?
Very hot, but yummy.
You?
Masarap. Yeah.
Sarap!
So good.
Let's eat.
And crispy. And sugary.
Very sweet. Yeah.
And it's
Paglaban sa coronavirus. We are fighting the coronavirus with the okay.
Melby naman.
Ano naman na?
Ikaw, Melby.
Abby, what can you say, baby? Deliciosa.
Alright. Very hot. With fire inside.
And it's best partner with coffee.
And go. Better with
It's red with coffee or
Not coffee for me, but Coke. Orange.
soft drink.
Soft drink.
Right.
She doesn't want Coke, but she likes Pepsi. So she doesn't like soda. She likes Pepsi.
Ay, mag-isa pa.
Yes, soda. Especially baking soda.
Ay, si Mama ate. Oh. Oh. Melby, oh. Si Melby naman. Oh, bilis! Ay, magsalita! Kumakain ng panet. Tok, ano?
Ako mo nung tika kayo mo. Mabailin, kain ka na.
Like a bird. Ay, di ako sasalita. Di ako mag-English speaking.
Kanina na ano kasi ko ng
Call Uncle Calling.
calling.
Call Uncle Calling, say hi. Bima.
Calling your attention.
Ala.
Calling. See?
Uncle, let's eat the
I always
banana.
done.
Banana is the contra is the vine. Let's eat.
Where's the barrel?
Yummy.
Inside.
Banana. Inside the banana.
Inside your pocket. Chef, you cook so good, chef.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
Oh, thank you, chef. Thank you.
Thank you.
Soda? I think